Hello everybody. So, just doing a quick video of this end of the farm. We've got our pigs that are quarantined here to go to Japan. We've got the girls, Pinky, Perky, Paxi and Alice. And then we've got Mark, Danny, Elvis and Noel over there. And they're just enjoying the good weather. The rest of the farm. So lots of preparations were made for Easter. We just doubled the car park. There's more parking spaces for visitors. And I just doubled the check-in. Planted loads of lovely flowers. As you can see, I've got some more coming up here. Daffodils here. This is where customers arrive and come in, dip, wash their hands, sanitize, and then come and check in this area here. We do check the customers in, do a safety talk, and it's kind of a waiting area. Once they've had their safety talk and any overalls or equipment that they need, brushes and stuff, we take them on a tour. So the tour starts here. We start in this pen. This pen here is Rosie May. Rosie May! Hello! This is Rosie May. Hello! She's in pig, so she's pregnant. She's due in the next week or so. And this is her pen. Next door, we've got Daisy. This is Daisy. She's a show pig like Rosie May was. But she has 3 piglets in there, if you can see. Piglets! Having a little nap. Daisy has done quite a lot of parties and shows with Rosie May over there. A few modelling jobs. Rosie May did the Royal Mint coin for the Year of the Pig and Save the Children Christmas jumper campaign. Daisy here did the Hennessy and Clique de Verde champagne adverts. So that's their pen. They're based at the front because it's easier to get to from the office if we needed to attend to them in any way. So we usually do a talk here about these pigs and then we head up to the other side of the farm. This is a 4-acre farm. It's quite a big field. We use this field in the summer when we do our corporate events and parties. I put up a marquee, agility and other activities here in the field, and the rest of it we just leave to kind of be free for nature to use. And then over here we have our rescue chickens. These chickens are ex-battery chickens, and the cockerel I was given from a school because he was causing them an ASBO with his noises in the morning. Say hello. You can get your own chickens. Lots of companies give them away free. I don't think they use them after they're like 2 or 3 years old, and then you can rehome them and they lay eggs. I had 3 eggs yesterday, which was nice. And then here we've got pen 1, and this pen goes all the way down to pen 10 at the end with all pigs and some goats, and then we've got our petting pens. So this side of the farm, this is pen 1. So the first section customers can come in. The second section you can only go in if you've here on an educational visit and you have overalls on. So Jill here is sitting in the shade, bless her. Jill! Hello! And she is in pig. which means she's pregnant. She's heavily pregnant. And this will be her 4th litter. You can see, look, she's got a belly full of piglets. Now she normally has 10, so I'm expecting 10 again. She's a really good mum. She's Rosie May and Daisy that we just met's mum from 2 years ago. So she's going to become a grandmother, which is lovely. So this is pen 1. Next door, pen 2, we have a mixture of female pigs. So this is Cherry. What do you see her there? She's daughter of Peanut. And this little girl, I called her Olivia after me. She is daughter of Frida. Gorgeous piglet, that one. Then you've got Mia here. She is daughter of Melissa. And then you've got Frida. And then over here we've got another little girl. Hasn't got a name, she's sold to a Japanese customer of mine. And then over there we've got Simone sunbathing and another white pig which is going with the other pig to that same customer. So a mixture of females in pen 2. So Frida is now a sow because she's given birth to 6 piglets. 2 of them are in here. But all the other females are gilts because they haven't had piglets yet. This is Mia. She's an old show pig. She's done a lot of Italian fashion brands. Save the Children's Christmas Jumper Day. Hendrick's Gin advert. Oh, get frosty. This is Frida. They're eating their hay. All had hay this morning. Been mucked out. That's pen 2. Pen 3 is empty because it was very, very muddy, and this is where the Japanese girl pigs were living. Pinky, Perky, Patsy and Alice. So we're letting it rest. Pen 4, we've got some males. So male pigs are called boars. We've got this little black and white pig, very sweet. He's for sale. He's son of Frida from pen 2. So then we've got over here the ginger one's called Bill. Bill. And then you've got the 3 musketeers. These 3. These are sons of Peanut. This is Bill. He's a show pig who recently visited a care home. Then we've got another spotted boy here, brother of this one. There's 2 sons of Frida. And then we've got Derek, who is a son of Jill with Simone, Derek and Simone. Then next to him is Ted, Bill's partner in crime. So Bill and Ted, the show pigs. So we've got Bill and Ted, 2 spotted piglets, Derek and the 3 musketeers, all living in this pen. Quite happy. Nice big pen anyway, so plenty of space. So there we go. That is pen 4. Pen 5, mixture of sows and gilts. So this pig here is called Pearl. And these pigs sunbathing over here. The black one is called Susan. The ginger one to the right is Betsy. And the smaller ginger one to the left is Squeaks. Betsy and Squeaks have just been made adoptable pigs. So we just had our first adoption of Squeaks. And Peanut. So Peanut is the mum of the 3 musketeers and Cherry. And she also is daughter of Jill. So that makes Jill a grandmother there. So this is Peanut. Peanut! Peanut was a show pig back in 2017 and 18 and did a pet show at the pet show in near Stoneleigh, and she's done quite a lot of parties. She was okay at the parties, but she used to be sometimes a little bit naughty, I have to say. But lovely pig. Look, as you can see, she's very happy because she's wagging her tail. So this is pen 5 females. So in this pen, Peanut, Susan and Pearl are sows, which means Betsy and Squeak, the 2 ginger ones, are gilts because they've not had piglets yet. So there's the mixture of sows and gilts in here. This is pen 6. So over here we have Velvet. Velvet is eating the hay there. She's the mother of Daisy, who has the baby piglets in the top of the farm. So she's a sow. This is Scarlett. Scarlett! Now, Scarlett is Jill's mum. She's the oldest pig on the farm, and she was 9. Oh, look, she's going to sunbathe. She was 9 in January, and she was born in my garden in 2011, the 25th of January 2011, first pigs, and she's the last of that litter. So her sister Kew sadly passed away from leukemia last year. Didn't know that pigs could get leukemia, so it's a shame, but she's gone up to piggy heaven, and Scarlett did miss her terribly, but she's a very chilled out pig, so she's relaxed. And at the back there we have Melissa. Melissa is Mia's mum that we met at the show pig. So this is Melissa. She's also Velvet's mum. This is Velvet eating the hay. So she's a grandmother. That's Melissa. And then sleeping by the house there is Nina, who's Susan's mother. So she's a grandmother. And sleeping by the buckets there is Dobby. She's also daughter of Jill. So there's a lot of family history on this farm. Luckily, I know who's related to who. I've spent a lot of time with these pigs over the last 10 years. So that is all the girl pigs there. It's a lot of pigs to remember. But they're all very chilled out today, which is lovely. That's pen 6. Pen 7, we've got the goats. So this is Rodney, and he is a North African pygmy goat. He is a bit naughty, I have to say, and he butts a lot. I've had to repair his house many times where he's completely smashed it to bits. But today he's having a quiet day, which is nice. And then over here we have his mum, Georgia. They came on St. George's Day 4 years ago, a farm I had in Beaconsfield. So I called her Georgia. And this is Violet, his twin sister. So they were both 4 in March. So they're all chilled out as well. I think this lovely warm weather is making everybody a bit lethargic. And they all want to sunbathe. They've got a lovely big pen, it's huge. They play with the rubber tyres. So that's pen 7. Over here we have Blanket. And Blanket is the dad of Frida's piglets. And he lives with Patrick. Patrick! He's sunbathing as well. He is a great granddad and a granddad and a dad to a lot of the pigs here. Patrick! Come on! Come and say hello. He can't be bothered, look. Patrick! Come on! Patrick! Carrot's getting him up. And it's just Blanket and Patrick that live in pen 8. They get on really well, so I'll leave it like that. Lots of people have been adopting Patrick recently because he's such a nice pig. He's 8 years old, but the most friendliest pig. Lovely boy. So that's pen 8. Pen 9, we have a mixture of 4-year-old boys here. So, here we go. This is White Stripe. It's a very chatty pig. and a bit too frisky at times, so I don't really let him out with the customers, just because he fancies humans, don't you? And then over here we've got Apollo, him, Oscar, him there, and then at the back is Jacob and Linus. You can just see the back of the trees there, and they're having a chat with Jack next door. This is White Stripe. Yeah, most chattiest pig I've ever had, actually. They live in pen 9. Luckily they all get on really well. I think that White Stripe is the boss, so they kind of stay out of his way. And then over here, pen 10, we've got Simon. Simon is son of Bo, the legendary Bo. And this is his uncle, Gizmo. Gizmo! Ah, I can see he's been wallowing. He does like that. I've actually planned to shampoo him this weekend. He needs a good wash. And then at the back there, we have got Milo. Milo's Rosie May and Daisy's dad, so he's going to be a granddad. Well, he is already with Daisy's piglets. He's a small white boar, lovely pig. And then sunbathing over there is Dexter. He was son of Kew. He's getting quite old, he's about 7 now. He used to do a lot of pig racing back in the day. We used to do pet shows. I was planning to do some pet shows this year. I don't know how that's going to happen. Never know. And then at the back, again, another son of Kew and Gizmo, is Jack, chatting to some of the boys next door. Just so you know. So that is all the pigs. So thank you for watching. As you can see, they're all very happy and they're all fine. Look, to say hello. Hello. Gizmo. I know you shouldn't have a favourite, but Gizmo is actually one of my favourites. Him and Patrick and Scarlett. I think it's because they're the oldest pigs. I've had them a long time. So it's a beautiful day. I'm enjoying the farm. These are the petting pens that the visitors, when they do come in here, and we'll pop different pigs in on different days, and they play in this big pen. And they come in here. We just rotate which pigs go out each day that customers can play with. And that is a little tour of the farm. Just thought I'd share that with everyone. I'm actually now going to go and give the pigs some carrots, so that's going to be interesting. So I'll probably do a little video of them doing sit, because some of them are very good at sitting. It's amazing what you can do with a carrot. So I'll show you that in a minute, but thank you for watching. Bye.